Ready to wake up to the sound of soothing waves while enjoying ocean views? Welcome to Wander Bodega Shoals, your ultimate waterfront retreat in Bodega Bay, California. I'm Frankie, and I'm here to show you this fantastic pet-friendly home owned, built, and designed by Olle Lundberg, architect, builder, and artist. Olle's signature style shines here with found objects seamlessly woven into the home's design, giving so much character and charm to every single corner. This home features 2 beautiful bedrooms that sleep up to 4, 2 full bathrooms, a chef's kitchen, a warm fireplace, a relaxing hot tub, a wraparound deck with a full entire kitchen and barbecue grill, and floor-to-ceiling windows that bring the beauty of the coast right to you. You will first step into the open concept main space where our chef's kitchen, beautiful dining room, and cozy living room all meet into one. This space exudes so much warmth and character with high vaulted ceilings and exposed wooden beams. You have a plush gray sofa providing ample space and seating room for everyone, including my favorite item in here. You have a bold red leather armchair that adds a beautiful vibrant pop of color. The center hand-carved wooden coffee table really enhances the organic vibe of the home. And then behind me here you have a flat screen TV for entertainment, especially for your cozy movie nights. This is built directly into the living room design. You have wooden slats. If you close them all the way, you can't even tell the TV is in here. I mean, I just think it's a very thoughtful and seamless design. Now you have floor-to-ceiling glass doors that flood this room with natural light and bring the beauty of the outdoors in with you. And you can also open up these doors all the way here and just let that fresh bay breeze flow all the way throughout the home. It's so refreshing and absolutely gorgeous. Now, like I said, this room is so warm and cozy that's enhanced by the natural wood burning fire stove. I mean, can you just imagine lighting that up? You're staying nice and toasty with a cup of coffee or hot cocoa, or perhaps everyone is just spread out here having conversation with Northern California wine. I mean, you're gonna create the most beautiful core memories within this home. The chef's kitchen seamlessly blends modern luxury and rustic charm. Stainless steel appliances furnish this whole entire kitchen, including a professional-grade Viking gas range and a commercial-grade built-in Traulsen refrigerator. With the wood paneling and the exposed wooden beams, you have a lot of warmth and character within this space as well, and that goes beautifully with the rustic charm of the center butcher block island, so you have some extra meal prepping space. This kitchen is fully stocked with everything you need to create a gourmet meal. But if you want to skip the cooking, our Wander concierge can recommend a local private chef within the area to come to the house and cook a meal for you. Now, when it is time to dine, you can just step right on over to our wooden dining room table that has enough seating for 6. And then check this out, look up right above the table. You have a custom hanging light fixture made out of an old buoy, which is such a beautiful and unique touch to the home. It immediately connects you to your surrounding landscape here in Bodega Bay. You're also placed right next to those glass doors, so you get natural light and stunning views along with your meal. Now, the primary bedroom is a stunning retreat where luxury meets comfort. Your eyes will first fall to the wood-paneled accent wall and the exposed wooden beams that add a lot of texture and beauty into this space. The center of the bedroom, you have a plush king-size bed with a very unique wood slat headboard. You have a wall-mounted flat-screen TV with entertainment options, and we have wireless phone chargers next to the bed, so you don't have to worry if you forgot to pack your own. It's just one of those little luxuries we provide to enhance your overall stay. You also have those glass doors within the primary bedroom that lead you on out to our outdoor deck and hot tub that just blends the indoor comfort with the beauty of the outdoors. The tasteful decor and the contrasting color palette of the whites and the dark wood tones creates a very sophisticated and tranquil space, perfect for relaxation. Your primary ensuite bathroom is a serene space where modern elegance meets minimalist design. You have a sleek stainless steel vanity with enough storage space for all of your belongings. You have plenty of drawers and a very generous counter space, giving you both style and functionality. Your walk-in shower is behind a frosted glass enclosure and a soft white curtain, giving you privacy and openness, while the luxury rainfall shower head inside makes sure that every single rinse is a spa-like experience. Every Wander bathroom has high-end amenities like shampoos, body washes, conditioners, and vanity kits, and these are all hand-picked items to ensure the highest level of quality, enhancing your stay here with us. You're also going to find plush towels, robes, and slippers, and let me tell you, I always look forward to slipping into my Wander robe after a long day of exploring. It's easily the highlight of every single one of my trips. The second bedroom features a queen-size bed placed on a lower wooden bed frame, which I think is gorgeous. It gives you a little bit more of a bohemian vibe in here. You have that paneled wall and exposed beams, making the space feel very open and airy. But my favorite part about this bedroom is that you have those glass doors like we saw in our main space earlier that flood this room with natural light and open right on out to our wraparound deck, so you can get that fresh air and take in the serene natural views. And for those who have to combine work with leisure, we have a carved wooden desk in here paired with a swivel chair, making productivity seamless. Every Wander home has high-speed internet across the entire property, so you can stay connected for work and stream all of your favorite content. That's the interior of this beautiful bay home, but here are some more features you should know about that will enhance your vacation. Don't worry about leaving your furry friends at home. Wander Bodega Shoals is a pet-friendly property offering luxury and comfort to you and your pets. Our breathtaking wraparound deck features a sleek stainless steel outdoor kitchen featuring a barbecue grill, a sink, and plenty of prepping space. This also faces directly out to the bay, so you are going to get the most incredible views while you're cooking. And then just a little bit further down, you can take in the peaceful surroundings and enjoy the views while you are relaxed in one of the heated armchairs. That's right, this invites you to be out here any time of the year, any time of the day, because you can stay nice, warm, and toasty while you're enjoying Bodega Bay. On the other end of the deck, you can unwind in style and relax and take a soak in the stainless steel hot tub designed for comfort all year round. You can indulge in a warm soak underneath the sun's golden rays or have a magical stargazing experience underneath the night sky. Now, beyond the deck, if you take the little set of stairs down, you will find a separate space and building that offers a small office inside. You have a wall full of books, and the desk faces directly out to an insane view of the bay. I mean, if you have work to get done here, this is the spot. It's incredibly peaceful inside, and you even have a small seating area on the other side here, perfect to enjoy a cup of coffee while you're reading a book or being productive. For an even more unforgettable getaway, expand your vacation and book at Wander Bodega Bay, located just steps away. Together, these homes create the perfect setting for larger gatherings and family vacations, so you can fully experience the natural beauty of Bodega Bay. If you're wondering the best way to get here, the closest airport to Wander Bodega Shoals is Charles M. Shoals Sonoma County Airport, located 25 miles away, making it a 40-minute drive to the home. Because of this, we highly recommend renting a car while you're here, but you can always opt for an Uber or Lyft ride. Are you feeling overwhelmed with what to do during your stay? Well, we can help you out. We have a travel guide you can watch right after this with a ton of recommendations on what to do, see, and eat within this area. But if you're looking for more specific help, our Wander Concierge team is always available. Just text them at the numbers shown here on the screen anytime with questions. Here at Wander, we believe that life's special moments such as weddings and family gatherings are meant to be celebrated together. Our properties offer the perfect backdrop for these these occasions. Whether you're planning a dream wedding, a bachelor or bachelorette party, an epic family reunion, or any other special gathering, Wander allows you to create memories that are unforgettable. Head on over to wander.com/events to discover more on how to make your celebrations extraordinary. Well, thank you for joining me here at Wander Bodega Shoals. We can't wait to welcome you. Make sure to check out our travel guide next on all the best things to do within this area. We'll see you soon here on the Northern California coast.